Dinene ya milimani ni tireti ya mbari ngabana kawira ya kuryana na kwebuliote ne mwanka tariki inyanya mweri twetete mugambidani ya bahati mamuye akirito wa muribo kinkolokine tireti kinyaye tikira kenteri dato ire ndau kumoyambene reu na kubori ya kwandika machakio kinyera Jumatano ya kimekeyete kyama wakili kia korofida na kinyengoza na magabana ni bamonende barabara kwenda hukumwa yambene reu ngabana kawira kuriana ne tuare senate no mobilietene mwaniketonde to Anthony Kadenya na Chikinya.
Thank you, Council, for your patience. I was consulting with my court assistant.
Igamba lako eboko governor wa county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza obisini lilokethero lekithikiro tariki nyanya mweri tuthiete ino ni nyume ya jaji wa koti nene Bahati Mamuye kutenga ntuku ino ile kuthikire bandi jonde kirigamba lele ile amuna ikundi binge biele ile kanjwa magavana nkiama gutetere kore ya fida amwana moringi kuro mwe kuma county ya Meru. Bathato baba bethiru bagitikiro utonya kirigamba lele nyume bandi jonde gwitikanelia.
Shall be reserved for highlighting of submissions, which shall be on 8th of October 2024 at 9:30 a.m. in open court.
Koti kinenkanagira watho babo kwithiro bakinya mendekithia na mateta maombera tariki jere mweri tuthiete wa October.
Further, by consent, the interested parties shall file and serve written submissions the next 7 days, that is, close of business 2nd October 2024.
Nao kagita yaka koti ino nilutimo wakili ba gavana Kawira Mwangaza kunenkanira masokyo mao kiri mendekithia maikundi bibi thatu mbere ya tariki inya mweri tuthiete wa October.
The petitioner shall have leave to file and serve submissions in rejoinder limited to replying to new issues of law raised by the respondent or the interested party.
Jaji Bahati Mamuye akelithagia tigamba lile tariki nyanya mweri tuthiete likathikirwa kotini na mutandaoni ino ni nyume ya karibu mwe ba county ya Meru kumeneria buregamba lile legwetithio na mbele.
The number of persons permitted into the room shall be limited, and the deputy registrar shall make necessary arrangements.
Kuma mji munene wa Nairobi, Mbeta Anthony, rangi wa Kadenya.